It me, Nod from Nerd. Other day, Rush Limbaugh said he would leave America just like that Facebook guy, Eduardo Severine, if it would make him a lot of money too. So I sent him $3.28. It was all I had, but I figure if everybody chip in, maybe we can make it worth his while. He promised to move to Costa Rica if Obama was elected president, so we know by now that he must be desperate to find a place. Oh, what is that on my other screen? Oh, hey, Rush, on Craigslist Caribbean, there is a blimp hanger for sale in the Cayman Islands. Ooh.